better signal detection. Like if they have, if the company is tied up with doing signal detection as well, and for the signal detection, they use a particular software called Empirica Signal, which needs to be integrated with the database, and it can be integrated only with this RSG database, and it cannot be integrated with Argus. So this is the one important thing why most company use many like some company uses RSG and not Argus. But the most the database which is compliant with pharmacovigilance guidelines is Argus. And this RSG database is more complex for extracting data for analysis. So if you want to extract any data, it is not that user friendly. Whereas Argus is so user friendly. You can extract any type of data, any type of line listing based on any parameters of the subject or patient, you can extract it. The why they have told like RSG is data entry is it's a friendly database is because it will come like if you want to enter like whatever is reported to you, you have to basically mirror in the database, right? So you have to enter. So when you enter, every parameter will pop up. Once you enter the age, then the sex will pop up. You have to enter sex, and then date of birth will pop up, and then the other details. So every parameters, once you finish one, the other will pop up so that you don't miss any of the parameters to be entered. Whereas in Argus, everything will be open. Like there are different tabs in Organ, so you can click on any of the tab and you can enter the detail. So all tabs will have all the parameters, all the criteria in it, and you have to just enter the detail. So there are high chances that you miss any of the parameters. Okay, so this is the only advantage of RSG, which is friendly, user friendly. So this is about basic details about the Argus and RSG. So you will learn about Argus more when you go into your Argus training. You will understand how it works and everything. Coming to workflow states, um, these are the different workflow states. So when you get a job, when you're appointed as a drug safety associate, so you should know all these terminologies, what someone will do as a PV associate. And this is a separate core module which will be dealt. Now I'm going to give just an overview for you to understand the terminologies. So the first, basically, what we do is any company or CRO, the case will come to them. So that is called as case intake. So there are different types of case intake. Um, Someone can get through phone, like some companies or CRO has a call center and they will receive the case through call center or through email. The forms, adverse event forms, will be mailed to PV department through email. Or if it is a clinical trial, sometimes they will have an EDC, clinical trial EDC. So the PV department people have to go inside the EDC to extract the adverse event form. So these are the different kinds of ways through which you can receive a case. Once a case is received to drug safety department, the next step will be triage. In triage, what we do basically is we assess the case, we assess the seriousness of the case. And why do we assess is based on the seriousness of the case, we have to the timelines are assigned, and we'll have to process the case and complete reporting within that timeline. Suppose first thing to triage is to segregate serious and non-serious cases. Okay, so first we are going to concentrate on serious cases. So when you come to serious, first you're going to process serious cases, then we go for non-serious. So coming into serious case, there are two types of serious case. Like based on the reporting timeline, we call them a 7-day report and 15-day report. 7-day report means fatal and life-threatening serious cases should go within 7 days. So you will first process fatal and life-threatening serious cases. Then we go, or the second preference would be 15-day. Other serious reports are reportable within 15 days. So we would process next the other serious cases, and then we would go with the non-serious cases. So this is the main point of triaging. And then in data entry, after